Welcome to Singapore.
Oh, ganun pala siya.
Merry Christmas, guys! So, I just arrived here in Changi Airport in Singapore. So, ayun. So, I'll be celebrating my Christmas here. I'll be staying here for 3 days, 2 nights. And on the 27th, I'll be going to Malaysia. Yun. Tapos, then, Penang, and then balik sa KL. Ayun, natawa lang ako kasi, syempre, first time ko sa Singapore. So, I was waiting for the stamp. Yun pala, stampless na here sa Singapore. So, it was a good experience. Anyway, so bili muna ako nung for the ticket sa MRT, LRT nila. And mag-withdraw muna tayo. Hi guys, so we're here now exploring the MRT system nila. So may map naman. So mukha namang madali magbiyahe. So, just waiting for the train. Pangatlong transfer ko na to. Tapos one more transfer para makapit tayo sa MRT station na pinakamalapit dun sa dormitory accommodations na magstay tayo. Hi guys! Ayun. After 4 interchanges, nakarating tayo sa Clarke. Very useful yung MRT map system nila. Kasi madali naman siya intindihan. So umpisa lang parang hindi tayo sanay, di ba? Anyway, so yun kanina, funny story. Tumitingin kasi ako sa map. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako sasakay na train. So may lumapit na local. Hindi na ako saan ako pupunta. But anyway, so yun. Medyo I'm getting the hang of it. So later explore tayo sa city kasi tayo makakarating. So we are here at the famous Orchard Avenue or street. Ayan po. So it's holiday here in Singapore. I checked it. So Christmas is a holiday here. So kaya pala sa streets nila, wala masyadong tao, wala kasing work. So yan. So people are celebrating Christmas here then. As you can see. There's Santa. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. So there it is, guys. Actually, I've seen a lot of Filipinos here. So this is Marina Bay by the Sands. O, diba? Actually, sa airplane pa lang, kitang-kita mo na siya eh. Very iconic. So guys, it's Christmas Eve, so we are here at Singapore River Walk. So yan, malapit lang dun sa pinagstayan kong hostel. So, naisipan ko lang maglakad nakita ko to. Very nice. So, I think it's better pag evening ka pupunta sa Riverwalk. So, ikutin ko siya. Alright guys, what a lovely Christmas evening. So, behind me is the Fullerton Hotel. It's one of the 5-star hotels here in downtown Singapore. Actually, here is Cavenagh Bridge. I hope I was able to pronounce it correctly. One of the old bridges here. Here in this part na may river cruise. So, hindi na siya dinadaanan ng mga tao ngayon kasi syempre matagal na siya. Pero, lovely place. Ito matagal na rin to eh. I was researching about it, but it was built in the early 1920s, named after one of the parang governors ng Singapore when it was still under British control. Nice, oh. And by the way, may nagpa-picture sa akin kanina. So, okay lang. As Filipinos, we love taking pictures. So this is the Asian Civilization Museum. Hopefully tomorrow open siya. So since malapit lang pala sa hotel, so bago tayo mag food trip sa Little India tsaka sa Chinatown tomorrow, siguro daanan ka muna to kasi madali lang pumunta doon dahil may MRT lang naman. Ganda ng park na to. Sobrang cool niya. Weird lang guys kasi it's Christmas. Pero kakaunti lang yung tao. Although it's a holiday here. Siyempre sanay tayo sa Philippines pag Christmas, super duper busy ng mga tao. Pero for a change, maganda rin na mag-celebrate. Merry Christmas guys! It's Christmas evening here already, December 25 here in Singapore. So behind me is Fullerton Hotel tsaka yung Cavenagh Bridge. So ang ganda niya pag gabi, no? So I was researching about the Fullerton Hotel, medyo matagal na siya. So it was named after a parang British general when Singapore was still a British colony that time. So itong bridge, one of the oldest bridges, parang 1920 siya ginawa crossing this river. Pero nowadays, hindi siya pinagdaanan ng tao. So yun lang na-preserve nila. It's so nice here sa gabi. Tapos at behind me is actually the Asian Civilization Museum. So try natin tomorrow to visit it. Yan. Kasi actually hindi ko to alam. Ngalakad-lakad ako. Tapos nakita ko, ay may ganitong park. So, yun. Tapos kanina, may 2 families na nagpa-picture sa atin. Siyempre, Filipinos tayo, we love taking pictures. So nice, grabe. So, I don't know what this is. Nakalagay lang Victoria Theater tsaka Victoria Memorial Hall. So, hindi ko talaga siya alam. Pero, ito yung mga na-enjoy ko sa tour. I'm into kasi yung mga historical sites, memorial sites. Mas na-enjoy ko to kasi yung sa mga cities natin. Yan. Try natin bumalik tomorrow. So, I think this is our city hall. I just think so. Pero, it's really nice. Ang ganda, no? Grabe ko city hall to. It's super nice. One of the best city halls na nakita ko sa travels ko. Kasi this one is parang the old parliament building nila. So, I think this is the parang downtown area ng old Singapore. Yan. Ganda sa gabi. So, we are now here naman sa Anderson Bridge that was built in 1909. Yan. So again, hindi na siya passable sa mga vehicles. Of course, kasi syempre, hindi nakakaya na structure nito. Pero, it's nice that it still is preserved. Naging tourist destination na siya. Kasi yung kabilang bridge na pinuntahan natin, yung medyo red siya. So we are now actually nga sa pinaka-downtown area ng Old Singapore. Nice. Good morning guys! So day 2 here in Singapore. So I'll just have a short run. Diyan lang, paikot-ikot sa Clarke Quay. And then later on, we'll go to Little India and Chinatown. Good morning, day 2 here in Singapore. Funny thing. So nag-check ako, how to go to Merlion. Sabi, ganyan-ganyan. Kita ko Raffles Place yung pinakamalapit na MRT. Ang ending. So may Fullerton lang pala to. Eh dito ako tumatakbo kanina kasi walking distance lang to from the hotel. Anyway, such an adventure. So this is the famous Merlion. So originally, parang nilipat ata to ng place kasi parang this was at the mouth of the Singapore River before. Tapos nilipat ang place kasi matakpan ata nung ginawa yung Marina Bay Sands. Well, it's a modern Chinatown compared to a Chinatown in Binondo. Ito medyo modern na siya, modernized na. They also have a Lucky Chinatown Mall. So hanap tayo ng pwedeng makainan here. So yan. So guys, we are now here in Chinatown. Market. So there's a lot of stores here. Where you can buy, of course, a lot of Chinese products. Of course, you don't need to buy here. May Chinatown tayo sa Philippines, which is Binondo. But it feels nice and it's really good as well to see. The Chinatown here in Singapore. Guys, ayan o. So we have Singapore's #1 Michelin rated best-selling curry puff. So we will try it. So we're now here in Little India. So let's try to explore it and see what we can see. And we are now here in Sentosa, in Resorts World Sentosa. So ayan. Ang saya. First time ko sumakay ng monorail. So dito rin pala Universal Studios sa Sentosa Island. Pero of course, we won't go there anymore. Just want to check out Sentosa. So guys, dyan ang Universal Studios. Pero hindi tayo papasok. Well, first and foremost, medyo mahal ang entrance and hindi rin kasi ako fan ng mga amusement center. I'm just happy to be here. Yan, sa Sentosa. And yun nga, monorail pala going here. So, cool naman siya. So guys, nakakuha tayo ng free ice cream here sa Sentosa. Lalang. Small things pero brings a lot of joy in this season. Happy holidays! Hi guys, it's our last day in Singapore and I stayed here in Seven Wonders Hostel. They actually have several locations here in Singapore. I stayed here in Clarke Quay. Very nice location. The staff are very friendly and I really like the location because it's near the tourist destinations here. So next time you visit Singapore, if you're a budget traveler like me, stay here at Seven Wonders Hostel. Thanks! Hi guys, ayun, so that was my last MRT ride here in Singapore. Dito yung sa Kovan Station. Dito kasi ako, dito yung hub parang bus station going to KL. So nag-book na tayo ng bus, sabi mga 6 hours. Pero let's see, pag sabi nung estudyante ko, pagka daw medyo traffic sa Malaysia. So baka abutin ng 8 hours. But hopefully, 6 hours tayo. So, yeah. See ya in Malaysia.